Say hi. We just need a dab. Alright, so in this video, we are going to be washing these two little ones' hair. We got the Kimmy, and then we have the Juliet Awake. And I'm going to be washing their hair to get ready to assemble them so that they can go home to their reborn mommy. Reborn baby dolls are collectibles for adults. So, we got our handy dandy. Hold on. Sit right here, girl. Don't you move, girl. Alright, so I got my pitcher of water. Them pitchers come in handy, don't they? $4, y'all. $4, Family Dollar. So I got my pitcher of water. I got my shampoo. Our bowl. And then my 2 towels to wrap their heads up when I'm done. Okay? So, and it just takes a little bit of shampoo. Just a little bit. Let me get this water up in here. So I'm just going to put just enough in to wash it because I still have to rinse their hair. Alrighty. And I wash all their hair before they go home. Just out of habit. Habit of your TT. Alright. So we're going to get that hair wet, girl. Get that hair wet. Yeah. Alright. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And like I said, I just use a dab. Oh, not. Y'all know what? This one might not be open. Nope, it's not. Alright. Now. Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. Alright, so we just need a little. Oh, that was more than a dab. We just need a dab. So like I say, I don't know, this is just a habit that I like doing before they go home. You know, because y'all know sometimes that hair could probably have dye or something in it. You just never know. You just never know. Plus, I like them to have that baby fresh smell. Yes. Alright, I'm going to put just a little bit more shampoo. Uh-oh. A little bit more shampoo. Yeah. Hold on, girl. Y'all see that? Say, oh, just a little bit. Alright, let's get you rinsed off, girl. Get it all out, girl. Get it all out, good. Yes, TT. Now see how dirty that water is. And say that could be from the dye or just whatever. So I like to get it clean. Okay, hold on. Let's pour a little bit more water. Make sure we got all the soap out, y'all, so we can wash other girl's hair. Alright. Okay. Just make sure, girl. Let's make sure, TT. Yes. Look how curly whirly that hair is, y'all. That good hair, TT. That good hair. Okay. Y'all see that? Look how curly her hair is. Look how curly my hair is, y'all. Get dry. Y'all look at this. Ain't this cute? Yes, that's cute. Hold on, girl. Comment below and let me know if you guys like this towel. Look. What is this? But is it look like? I don't know. Comment below and let me know what that is, y'all. Let me know what that is, y'all. Alright. So she got her hair washed. Hold on. Okay, we're going to let her dry. Alright, so now we're going to wash Juliet Awake. This is Juliet Awake here. Look how curly it is, y'all. Alright, same thing I did with other girl. Let's get some water on your head now. Don't be crying. And doing the most, okay? Okay, TT. Let's get a little soap. Get a little show, girl. Get that show for show. Need a little bit more, I like to see the suds, okay? We like to see the suds. Hold on, girl. Sud my hair. Hold on, girl. Alrighty, y'all. Hold on. You hear the little comb you want me to go through? Yeah. The little comb, come right through. Come right through them curls. Who you know? Reborn baby doll got curls like this. Huh? They don't know, TT. Look at that. Let them curls. Let them curls. Alright. Say, quit playing with me, TT, and get my hair done. Alright, we're wrenching all the soap out. Draw that soap out. Okay, you ready for your towel? And she's going to be wrapped up in this cute little kitty cat. Kitty is a kitty cat. A cute little kitty cat towel. Hold on, y'all. Yes, you is, mama. Yeah, we got to let that hair dry. We got to let that hair dry, mama. You look so cute. Yes, you do. Say hi. Oh, crap. Girl, take that back fire. Stop playing. Hold on. Girl, listen. You gonna be without a pass to keep playing with me. You know, TT don't like to struggle, and I ain't fit to be struggling. Trying to. She's got a funny shaped mouth. You know what? I'm not fit to play with you, little baby. Okay, I know how we gonna have to do this. TT ain't fit to play with you, girl. That's alright. Where my magnet go? Huh? Did you fall out? Did you? Or did I already hook? I already hooked it. I already hooked it. Okay, girl. You know what? You about to be without a fancy. Yes, you is. TT ain't fixing to do it, girl. Girl, listen. Hey. Oh. Hit that like. Hey, subscribe. Oh, hey. It's TT Show. Oh, get it. Hey, get it. Oh, get it. Hey, get it. Oh. Alrighty, y'all, don't go nowhere. Click that next video if you like box openings or if you like vlogs. Hit that video.